Alright, so we're looking at these Depo Aftermarket 2011 to 2013 IS250 aftermarket replica or replacement replica headlights with the DRLs. These are actually the one-off ones that they made in halogen for people that have 2006 and up IS250s and 350s that have halogen that are supposed to be plug and play. So what I did, I've done an unboxing video, I've done some output videos on the headlight or the low beam. So now what I'm doing is the DRLs lit up. So I found the wires. So they made the wires pretty simple on here. What I didn't notice is if they had a low, you know, like a parking lot low and high, but I think right now the way I have it wired up, it's the high. I tried several combinations, but all the wires I tracked down, they've got 5 wires on the side here. So you got the yellow, white, green, red, and blue on this row right here, this front row. And these are the yellow and white are the turn signals. Then you got the green. The green right now is the DRL. That's the power for the DRL. The yellow on top is actually a common ground that's shared with the DRL and the turn signals. So I've got that, and then the red and the blue are this little LED parking light on the side here. So so that's the only combinations I've played with so far, and I tried to put power onto this parking light when the DRL is on. It didn't dim or respond, so that's not a good sign that, you know, these might only operate in one mode, but not like I think the factory ones dim when we have your parking lights and your headlights on, and then they're full brightness, you know, during the day. But from what I can tell, this is full brightness, because when I level down to basically, you know, when you're looking straight on at it, it looks pretty bright, like, you know, usually when I see these driving down the road. I've never really looked up close to them in person on the 2011 and up, so I don't know what, you know, they really look like. But I know a lot of these OEM DRLs, they diffuse them pretty well from different angles. They're only designed to be seen straight, you know, straight forward. But so that's, you know, that's what they look like. I'm gonna actually turn off my bright garage lights and turn on my dim ones to get a better look at these. So yeah, if you get back and look at it, it's pretty, you know, it's pretty bright, and, you know, different angles, and then as you can tell, you get in, you know, it's got that, you know, it's got the full array down here, and then the little checker turn up. So that's how those look. Alright, you can look at the bottom of the video, leave any comments or questions. I've also got the link to these on eBay where you can buy them. I've got the link for these halogen versions plus the HID versions, and I think there's a bunch of sellers that sell the HID versions, but they're twice the price. They're empty, and they don't, you know, you have to transfer your ballast and bulb and all that from your HID headlight over to the aftermarket one, but you know, they're not loaded. So, you know, if it's worth twice the price to have the HID projector, even though in my opinion that projector is probably crap anyways, but, you know, but it does have the auto leveling, and the wiring is also designed for the HIDs, and it's probably close to the factory wiring, where these were basically wired to work with the halogens. But anyway, for my application, I'm gonna gut these and change the projector out and rewire them anyway. So stay tuned for that video. Thanks.